How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and this is vlog number 2, and don't really know what I'm going to be doing today, but I'll take you guys along with whatever I do. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm back home, and I came home to a package. I kind of expect to know what this is, but then again, I order a few things online, and I never know which is going to get here first. So what just came in the mail is something I'm super excited to show you guys. For those of you who aren't friends with me on Facebook, definitely don't know about this yet because I haven't really posted about it anywhere else, but I have recently actually signed up for my personal trainer certification. So what came in the mail is a bunch of books and actually this DVD. Pretty sure it's just like showing me a bunch of exercises, but the DVD looks kind of cool. It's like a rusted out plate, not the one that you would eat off of, one that you would, put on the barbell and whatnot. But yeah, so what came in the package is this thick book, The Complete Guide to Exercises. So that's going to be helpful, of course. Fiscal fitness, so I can work on the business end of everything. And a workbook and study guide. So that's great. But yeah, so I'm super excited to get going with this because it's not only going to be beneficial for me, but eventually I can benefit you guys more with more informative content that is backed up by an actual certification. So that way you guys can trust me a little bit more, that I know that what I'm talking about and whatnot. Because, anyone can tell you how to do an exercise, but once they're studied up on it, I feel like people trust them a little bit more. Well, I just took about 2 hours to film the video that you guys will see that's up on the channel before this vlog. I just kept messing up, and I tend to stumble over my words a lot. But check out the video. It's all about how to survive the Thanksgiving holiday, and my best tips that I've found over the years to kind of minimize weight gain post-Thanksgiving. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next clip.
That's all, folks.